Hi guys, welcome to my channel. See what we have here. The owner of this vehicle came in and said this vehicle he perceived a very unpleasant smell, so I recommended ozone treatment for him. So what we're going to use is a powerful oxidizer that releases ozone gas, leaving your car with a very sharp and clean smell. And next I'm going to use this. Yeah, this is it. This is an ozone machine that it has a power source, and electrically it charges the oxygen gas it extracts from the atmosphere, thereby creating ozone gas, which will be ozone gas will be discharged into the AC vents with this hose. So these are the hoses I'm going to place in the vents of the AC vents. These are the 3 hoses. So at the end of the day, the ozone gas will attach the odor molecules, that's the bacteria, the virus molecules. So at the end of the day, it will oxidize them and make them disappear. So at the end, and after that, the ozone gas will break them into the normal oxygen. So what I'm going to do now, I'll reach out for the cabin air filter, that is the AC air filter. That's the first step I'm going to take. This is where it is. So I have to put this clip, put the left side clip as well. Then I'll reach out for the cabin air filter, and here it is. It's right under the dash, the passenger side. So I have to pull it out carefully, and if it's that bad, I will have to replace it. But in this case, it's not that dirty, so I will have to clean it. I will have to use air pressure to clean it. That is what I'm going to do. So this is how I'm removing it carefully. For this case, this vehicle is not that bad, so this is it. So I have to clean it up. Okay, right now I'm done cleaning the air filter, that is the AC air filter. So I have to fix it back exactly the same way I removed it. So this is how I'm fixing it carefully. Okay, right away it's going inside. So after this, I'm going to place the cover, because it does have a cover. I'm going to cover it. Then and here's the cover. This is it. So I have to cover it now carefully and make sure it is well fitted. Then I fix back this pigeonhole, and this is it. The clips from the 2 sides, I have to put them back. Then the books, the owner, the books already, I have to fix it back the same way I removed it. These are the vehicle manual, so I have to fix them back. That's the owners, the vehicle owners belonging. So that is it. This is the first step. And after that, the next thing I'm going to do is make sure the car is very, very clean. I'm going to tidy it up. Now I'm using an air vacuum to make sure every single dirt, I take it out of the car, from the rug to the foot mat. I have to tidy it up, so because I'm trying to make sure at the end of the day I achieve a very good result. So this is how I clean the vehicle carefully and thoroughly. I make sure it's very clean. I clean from the front, and as well I'm going to go to the back. I clean. I take the rug out as well. I clean every single place in the vehicle. Okay, this is it. This is how I was able to clean the driver's side. Okay, so I took the rug out. I had to clean it outside because it was very dusty. So I just want the owner of this vehicle to experience something very nice. It shouldn't be like how it came. So I'm done. The back side I have to clean as well. This is me cleaning the rug at the back. Tidy it up before. This is the second step. Yeah, I'm almost done. Okay, now the third step is I'll bring my odor terminator machine inside. I'll make sure the hoses that goes to the vents are well cleaned. I'll clean it thoroughly. So the three hoses, one I have to place one that is very long. So I'll place it at the extreme end of the vehicle, the extreme end of the vents of the vehicle. So this is how I'm going to place it. It goes inside after it has been cleaned. So then the second one, I put it in between, in the middle. So this is where I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it this side. So push it inside. And then the third one, I put it at the left side, that is the driver's side. Okay, so this is it. It goes inside. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the ignition. Yeah, so I'm going to turn on the ignition. Now this is the machine showing red. Yeah, already it's ready to begin its work. So I turn on the ignition, which is the next step I'm going to take. Okay, the ignition is on, and this is the dashboard. Okay, so next I reach out for the AC switch and make sure the AC fan is off. The inside AC fan is off. Then I leave this button and make sure that button is on. It's left on. So I go to my machine, I press the start button. Okay, this is it. So it has begun its treatment. So I have to wait for approximately 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, then I can check back. Zone treatment can, and this is how it works. You pull out the top. It has a lock. This is the lock. You have to depress the lock inside, so it locks and the ozone gas discharges easily. So now I have to open my car and check. It's over 30 minutes now, so the ozone treatment should be over. And this is what my machine is saying, end of treatment. So what I'm going to do is I'll place my ozone gas can here. Then the hose, I have to bring them out carefully, one after the other. Then this is the second one, and then this is the third one. So we have to take them out, then take my ozone machine out as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is I turn on my car ignition. And that is the dashboard. So I'll reach out for the AC. I turn on the AC and turn the fan to the highest number 4, and I leave that button on. So this is the next step. Then I press my ozone gas can, make sure it goes out like this. Then I shut the door. I'm going to leave the door for I'm going to leave it shut for like approximately 20 to 30 minutes for the ozone gas to circulate. So this is it. This is how I've been able to carry out the ozone treatment on this Hyundai Creta. Thanks for watching, and please, if you are watching for the very first time, please comment, like and subscribe for more auto tips. Thanks for watching.